Welcome. Today I'll guide you through the updated process of repositioning your cover photo on the Facebook app for PC. It's a straightforward way to make sure your cover photo looks just right. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top where your profile photo is displayed and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile. Now, move your cursor over your current cover photo at the top of the profile. You'll see a small camera icon appear. Click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. Choose the one labeled Reposition. At this stage, you can click and drag your cover photo to adjust its position perfectly. Whether you want to shift it slightly up or down, this tool allows you to frame your photo exactly how you want it to appear. After you're satisfied with the new placement, simply click Save Changes to apply your edits. Your cover photo will now be repositioned, giving your profile a fresh and polished look. A quick tip. For the best display results, ensure your cover photo resolution is about 820 by 360 pixels. This size works well to maintain clarity across desktop and mobile screens. Repositioning your cover photo periodically is a great way to keep your profile visually appealing and customized to your liking. You can revisit these steps anytime if you want to tweak the photo's positioning or update it entirely. That's all there is to it. Follow these easy steps to reposition your Facebook cover photo on PC using the latest app update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your profile.